sepakan ini untuk merapatkan kedudukan.
Dibuka secara rasmi pada tahun 1962.
On 6 September of 2019, a huge riot happened. Pebbles, rocks were thrown into each other's faces, gas sprays were all over their faces. But who are they? Malaysian and Indonesian football fans. And riots happened, hooliganism event turned out to be very violent. Is it because of sports? Does sports bring a whole lot of violence in the community? Hi, my name is Ashraf and you're watching SNR Studios. For an intro, when you ask people about sports, they will straight away go to the benefits itself. They will say, oh, sports is an activity that brings they can offer you a healthy lifestyle, they can make you gain stamina, they can make you stay in shape, blah blah blah, all those ideal figure body type that they spoken of. But not for me. Because why? Sports for me is an essence in life. Let us ask ourselves, what do we want in life? We want to live in harmony and peace, where justice stands firm, where no such blankets could cover that up. And by sports, like it or not, we have to agree, we can achieve that. Sports can offer you unity that you could never imagine of. We are bonded through sports, whether we play them as an athlete or we supporting them as a fan. Let's see football. Football view, even though we are supporting different football clubs, we have different views or arguments about certain things or certain aspects of football, by the end of the day, we are bonded into one. As you can see back in 2016, where Selangor and Perak fans were colliding into each other, but we are still bonded by one true fandom-based Eko Harimau for our nation. That is what sport really means. Alright, so by unity, by harmony and peace, this is what actually we need to view. But the thing is, people keep to mislook this essence of life. Because of why? Their obsession to the pride of ego of supporting their own favorite club, they tend to do unnecessary things. That is why unwanted events happen between Malaysian and Indonesian fans or local fans and so on. So what are the resolutions that we need to do? We can see, for example, that already existed authorities of the sport itself. Like for example, football, we have FAM. Like the sports community itself, we have KBS, Kementerian Belia and Sukan. The authority kept sorting this out without not pointing to each other. They sort this out by diplomatic approach. Why diplomatic approach? Because they know by sports we can create some bond, a strength of all level of bond that we can never imagine in this world. That is what sport really means to me. I keep on repeating this. After a match, if you lose or you win by supporting your football fan, there is no such thing. You are a loser. In any kind of sports events, it's either you win or you learn. Remember that. When racism happen, when racism events turn us down to the ground, players and the supporters always use the sports medium to create this event into a positive side. Even though we are arch enemies, even though we are arch nemesis, rivals in certain football matches or any kinds of sports, we could handle the diversity or the differences in a very well manner. Don't just look at the basic figure of sports. You know, actually sports can bring a lot of things to the table. So for my video, I would like to say sports can bring unity. So by living in united society, we can achieve harmony and peace. So that is all from me. Ciao.